Hey, I am Gaurav Bajaj, the founder of Book Your Calendar, a simple meeting tool that helps you save your time. In this video, I will show you how to connect your Google Calendar to BYC. This keeps your meeting update and block all your busy times. Let's get started. First, go to Book Your Calendar website. If you don't have, just you click on sign up. Now you will get the details like first name Gaurav, second name Bajaj, username I am Gaurav, email ID is Gaurav Bajaj 852 at gmail.com. Set a password and just click sign up. You will get a code in your email. I'll check in my email. Just enter the code and your account will be ready. 522695. Connect Google Calendar. This helps BYC all your meetings to your Google Calendar and also block your busy times so no one can book you twice. So you can connect Google Calendar in two simple ways. First, you need to click and create an event, add your meeting details like event titles, duration, how to meet, event location, and description. Once I will do this, put all the details in the here, then just click create an event, and then now you will see an option to connect to Google Calendar. Click or switch on and give all the permissions to Google, and that's it. Your calendar is connected. And the second option, if you try, just you see a left sidebar, and that click on settings, click connect calendar, and then connect button. Log in into your Google account and give permission. You are done. That's it. No tricky, only the simple ways. So here, you only need to do it once. BYC won't ask for permissions again unless you're disconnected. I will make another short video if you want to change or remove your calendar. Let's create a one booking for you. It's quick chat, 15 minutes, one-on-one meetings. Let's keep this Google Meet. Let's have a chat. Create event. Reload that list. See, you will have this list in the table. Let's set availabilities. So let's for the Tuesday, I'm opening this and setting availability at 9 a.m., 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. and let's buffer time will be 15 minutes. Let's add one more slots for 5 to 8. Let's set this a gap for 15 minutes. Yeah, maybe 15 minutes. Let's say this. So you copy your link, you can share it with anyone, send it to your team or client so that they can book time with you. You can also send the link to your LinkedIn bio, email signature, or WhatsApp. Put it anywhere people need to book a meeting with you. It works with just one click. Gaurav Bajaj, email. Let's connect over Google Google Meet. Just review your bookings. All the meeting bookings you will display here. Scheduling. Well, your meeting booking is confirmed. And if you call back to software, then see it is displaying here. If you click on join meet, you will redirect to Google Meet. It's too simple. If you go to the dashboard, you will see all the updated details you will display here.